Desalitech's reflex reverse osmosis systems open a new era of water treatment efficiency. With our patented closed-circuit desalination, or CCD technology, water resources are efficiently utilized. Reflex RO units operate at up to 98% recovery, greatly reducing water waste and waste generation, while lowering energy use and increasing reliability and flexibility of operation. People have been filtering water for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians used sand and gravel filters, much like today's multimedia filters, or MMF. The principle is very simple. All the water that is fed to the membranes permeates through. Accumulated filtered matter is purged periodically. This is what's commonly referred to as a batch process. Reverse osmosis, or RO, uses a different mechanism and a special filter to clean water. Instead of feeding water directly to the filter, water flows along on its surface, constantly sweeping away concentrate that accumulate while only a small portion of the flow actually passes through the filter surface. RO is effective at removing dissolved solids and does not require purging. However, the need of cross-flow results in a substantial waste of water and energy. CCD technology seamlessly combines the advantages of media filtration and RO. It's a batch process like the MMF, but uses internal recirculation to create much higher cross-flow than standard RO. Like media filtration, feed flow equals permeate flow, and concentrate is purged from the system periodically. Like RO, it uses cross-flow in standard RO membranes and is able to remove dissolved species. In fact, it offers much higher and better distributed cross-flow, making it better than RO. The result is a process that is more flexible, consumes less energy, and is more efficient than conventional methods. Desalitech CCD systems consist of short membrane arrays, which helps eliminate low-flux tail elements and minimizes lead element flux and can accommodate higher average flux. The salinity variations disrupt fouling and scaling. In addition, the system can be adjusted to high cross-flow and any desired recovery by changing settings at the control panel. Desalitech systems work in a batch-wise fashion in two modes: closed-circuit desalination, or CCD, and plug-flow desalination, or PFD. When in CCD mode, the feed water flow equals to the permeate flow, while brine is circulated in a closed loop to provide cross-flow. Dissolved salts accumulate in the system volume. As the concentration gradually increases, the pump pressure automatically increases to keep constant permeate flow. When the desired recovery rate is achieved, a brine valve opens to release the concentrate from the system. Feed water pushes the concentrate out and flushes the membrane surfaces. When the concentrate is fully rejected, the brine valve closes and a new CCD cycle begins. Recovery is flexible and is set at the system control panel. The multiple stages and long membrane arrays used in conventional RO systems to achieve high recovery are not necessary. High recovery in a single stage is a novel capability of CCD systems that lowers system cost and makes design and operation simple. This enables CCD systems to achieve over 98% recovery, whereas traditional RO systems typically operate at only 75% recovery. CCD systems also avoid scaling, which can ruin membranes in conventional RO systems at high recovery rates by flushing the membranes frequently with fresh feed water. The short introduction time during which the membranes are exposed to the high salinity does not allow scaling to build up. In conventional RO plants, recovery, crossflow, and flux are interdependent, all supplied by the high-pressure pump. The CCD process decouples these basic variables, enabling their independent manipulation. The resulting extreme flexibility allows the designer and operator to cope with variations in feed water and customer requirements, optimize process performance, and minimize costs on a day-to-day basis, while it does not have to be redesigned. It adjusts automatically to variations in feed conditions and self-optimizing to it. In the future, This flexibility can allow the CCD unit to accommodate improved membranes or water treatments. Flexibility makes CCD systems a good long-term investment while addressing current needs. Each batch in the CCD process starts at a low feed pressure, and this increases as salts accumulate in the system. The average membrane feed pressure is much lower than the feed pressure of typical RO systems. Lower feed pressure means lower pump energy requirements and tremendous energy savings. CCD systems also dramatically reduce energy loss to the brine reject stream by reducing its pressure prior to release. Reflex systems are comprised of standard high-grade reverse osmosis components in an innovative configuration that mitigates most major reliability issues, including fouling, scaling, biofouling, and more. CCD systems have operated continuously in commercial settings around the world since 2009. Desalitech's Reflex RO product line, featuring CCD technology, is the premium RO solution. CCD technology offers many benefits over traditional RO, including maximum recovery, typically 90 to 98%, 50 to 75% less brine waste, greater reliability, unmatched flexibility, 35% less energy use, and standard RO components. For more information on Desalitech or CCD technology, please visit www.desalitech.com.